Fucking food.
Can you please hurry up and turn off the
She's gonna wake up because my belly's shaking her.
I don't think so.
She must have really needed to sleep there. She's sawing logs at the age of 2 months. Maybe we need to get her one of those little breathe right things.
No. It's because of the way she's sitting.
I know.
So pretty, Zoe.